Alright, y'all. What y'all think about Diggerland, USA? That's what I like to hear. Got the water obstacle course. I'm gonna try not to fall in the water.
Hey, what y'all doing today?
Kicking it with the Newsomes.
Well, what we doing today is we actually gonna hit up Diggerland today. It's a water park slash, what is it?
Water park slash amusement park, I would say.
Okay, yeah, so we're gonna hit up Diggerland today. That's in Berlin. And we decided to take y'all along with us for the ride.
That's right.
So we'll see y'all inside.
You already know that.
Radical man. Radical man.
We're here. Diggerland. All right, guys, we are here at Diggerland. Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Are y'all excited?
Yeah. They
How
have
about you,
zip
Joel?
lines. So stay tuned for the zip lines.
Welcome to Diggerland, USA. We are here.
Oh, he looks like the only one.
I can dig it. Diggerland, USA. Standing in line getting our ticket.
I think I can get on everything.
Is Joel gonna be tall enough?
He's 32.
Oh yeah, that sounds good. Under 36, so he free.
He's 32.
Alright, so this is the map. We probably not gonna follow the map, but nah, we gonna go through all the water park stuff. And we're gonna try to get on every ride so y'all can see. Diggerland, USA, here we come. Alright, so we about to head over to the water park, the water rides and stuff like that. Jalir, you ready to get wet?
Yeah.
Is it hot enough for you?
Yep.
Alright,
I'm probably gonna be sweating.
here we go. Keep it locked. Alright, duck race. On your mark, get set, go! Aubree has a good lead. Aubree is coming in first. Oh! Jalir caught up, but Aubree won.
So wow, you kicking your feet.
Got the water obstacle course. I'm gonna try not to fall in the water. And try to stay on course.
I hope you do.
Why you hope I fall in? What about you? You gonna stay on the course?
Yeah.
Oh!
You're probably gonna slip on.
Aubree, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Come on, jump in.
Okay, Jalir.
Whoa, look at the water, Joel. Watch out. Whoa. I got you, man. I got you. Whoa.
Oh, watch me, guys.
Whoa. You almost got us. Going on the lazy river?
Here they come, coming back around, here they come.
Come on, this is the exit. Come on.
Jalir, the exit.
What's wrong? Alright, we about to get on these water slides. Looks like it's a bunch of fun. Jalir, you ready to get on the water slide?
Yeah!
You already know that.
I'll be waiting at the bottom. I'll be down at the bottom.
Alright. Hold on, Joel.
Can I go? Yeah.
Okay, Jalir.
Aubree might get surprised about that. Aubree might get surprised.
That must be Aubree. Yeah.
Alright, y'all want to switch ride? Y'all want to do the blue one now?
Yeah, I'll say one.
How was it, Aubree?
Fun.
Which one was better, the red one or the blue one?
The red one.
The red one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the red. Alright, so we just explored the water park area. And we about to go to the
Drive a couple of them little trucks, let them drive.
go to the dry
Right.
lane, get some
So Joel can do a couple things because he gets a little upset.
get some heavy machinery training. Maybe you can drive a CDL truck like daddy.
Huh?
So let's go.
Joel, you ready? You wanna get on? Say yes. All right.
All right, y'all, keep it locked. Come on, Joel. Walking through the park at Diggerland. This place is really cool. Great place to bring the kids. Rock climbing, playground. Joel went down the slide.
No, he's right here. They're going up.
Joel, you gonna go down the slide?
Come on! Tell me what.
Whoa! Huh?
Can I go?
Yeah, go ahead. Whoa! Yeah. Let's go down that big slide this time. You gonna wear the camera, Aubree? Nah, the big one, all the way up top. Go ahead, Joel. Ready, set, go! Come down this one, Joel. Come on.
People coming down.
Hey, y'all swinging on the swings. Joel. Joel. Isla. You wanna get out? How we get in? We gonna go get on the dig around. How we get in? Oh, right here. I think this is the line right here. Oh no, this is the enter. Right over this way. how you like that ride? It's pretty cool? Alright, come on, let's get on the next one.
The next one is the spin dizzy.
Yeah, the spin dizzy.
You'll get something to drink soon.
Alright, looks like Aubree is not tall enough. I'm gonna have to ride this time.
You're gonna have to ride with Aubree.
Yep. This is the spin dizzy. It lift you up and it spin you dizzy. Come on, get in line,
I'm
y'all.
allowed to ride by myself.
Alright, we getting on the spinny thing. The spinny digger. Spin digger. Go down, Aubree. All the way to the end. How you like that one, Jalir? We got the sky shuttle right here to take you way up in the sky.
Is the parkour gonna be last or the dig?
Got the big digger right here. That's pretty cool where they get to dig their own dirt up. So we got a live one over here. Diggerland, y'all. We lit. One pulley, work harder. Alright, I'm gonna try to pull this up, alright? You think I can get it?
Go ahead.
That's all I can get. Alright, go ahead. There go Mom getting that pulley working. Come on, Mom. Come on. Pull it. Come on, Mom. Pull it. Pull it. Come on, pull it. How much you gonna get up? Come on, get it up. Get it up. That thing heavy. Come on, Jalir. Let's see your work. Come on, pull it. Pull it. Put your body weight on it. Come on. Help him, Mom. Help him. Oh, they got it. Oh, they got it. Nice work, guys. Nice work. You got the mini digger bowler over here. Alright, you got the tractor pull right here. I'm gonna try to pull the tractor this time. Jalir, you gonna pull with me? Let me try that one, Jalir.
Okay, Jalir.
Come on, let me see. You ready? No, I got it. Yeah, I got it. Pull up, I don't got it. Come on.
With the little one. And she gonna try to put her foot on it.
Come on, pull, Aubree, pull. Pull,
Okay,
Aubree.
Aubree.
Pull. Come on, Aubree, pull. Yeah, Aubree. Looks like they got a few rods closed. This looks like the mini digger treasure. When you dig for some treasure.
Look, the munch box.
Oh, they got the munch box where you can get some munchies. What do we have over here? Know how to do hopscotch?
Me.
Wait, let me see. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Aubree, can you ride on by yourself on this one? Let me see. Oh yeah, Aubree tall enough. Joel not gonna be able to get on this one. All right, here we go. Joel, you ready? All right, we about to get rolling now.
Yes, let's not worry. First time you come to use front door on this side. But only the second time you park on this side, alright? Any questions? I'm gonna start with
Jalir about to crash. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? How y'all like that one?
Good.
It was fun?
They're going slow.
So Aubree crashed into the thing.
Aubree crashed.
Yeah, she got crashed.
Alright, come on, let's try the farm tractor. Aubree was crashing.
That's it. That's
Alright guys, we're getting on the farm tractor now.
Aubree can either drive or... Oh yeah, she has to get on your lap to drive.
Okay, so you can have on that first one?
Yeah.
And then pop on the second one.
Let's go. I don't know how to work this.
I'll show you in a second. It's on the floor. Yeah, it's on.
No.
It's okay. Okay.
Alright, we're gonna go to the ground shuttle now.
I can ride by myself, bro.
Oh, you already know that. Going on the ground shuttle. Joel is not tall enough. You know he mad. You know he hot. He going up. Jalir, Aubree. They going up. It's up, then it's up, then it's up. Aubree. Whoa. Joel, wave, Joel. Say hi. All right, how was the ride?
It was high.
And we got to say hi to a lot of people up there.
Oh yeah?
Yep, the other one is flying. And it was kind of going fast.
Alright, we about to get on the rope course.
Close the gate.
That look, close the gate, yo, close the gate. Ah, this look crazy. But we gonna go through it. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Aubree, you ready? Or are you scared? We are getting all locked and loaded to go up top. Getting all strapped up. Aubree, step up. Careful. All right. Whoa, this is so high and so scary. All right, go ahead on that one. This is high. Whoa, this is high and very scary. Alright, y'all, that just about wraps it up for the day. We had a good time. I think we got on most of the rides, not all the rides, but most of them. And now we about to head home and you know, do what we do best. When we kicking it with the Newsomes. KIW. Yeah. Go through the gift shop to get to the exit. Alright, y'all. What y'all think about Diggerland USA?
Go!
That's what I like to hear. What you think, Aubree? All right, that's what I like to hear. Joelle, what you think? Did you have fun at Diggerland? Oh, all right. Was it better than the bounce house? So we are back on the road, headed home.
Yes, heading back home. Gotta figure out what we're doing for dinner.
We spent about 5 hours in the park. I'm tired. That sun was beating me up.
We had lunch.
We had
lunch, so when we get home, we need to have a snack.
It's almost dinner time now.
It's almost dinner time. We're going to eat some dinner. We got to figure out what we're going to eat for dinner.
Yeah, I was thinking maybe Matt can whip something up, you know.
Maybe some breakfast for dinner.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I know how to cook is breakfast.
Yeah, so we'll be back though, because it's actually like not right up the street, but it's like 20 minutes from our house. So we'll be back again.
Yeah, we'll be back. We're going to try to get on the rides that we did not get on, because there was a few rides that we did not get on. So that's what we're going to do next time we come back. So stay tuned. Keep it locked. If you in Jersey, you know, in this area, South Jersey area.
Hit up Diggerland USA.
Hit up Diggerland USA.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell. Follow us on Instagram at The Newsomes. Hit us up on Facebook at The Newsome. And stay tuned for the next video.
See you when I see you.
KIW.
KIW.
The Newsomes.
You already know.